Every time I see a Zinugan helicopter, I always feel bad. Why can't we imitate Zinugan so far? Some people think that we don't need it anymore. And some people think that it's not that we can't weave it, but that the technical threshold is too high. In addition, the industrial foundation of Thai Rogia at that time, the demand changed later, resulting in the abandonment of the textile, Zinugan road, and the independent development of the 18 heavy-duty helicopter. First of all, many people wonder why they couldn't imitate it when they got food back then. The reasons include, first, the gap between materials and craftsmanship is too large. The use of high-strength titanium alloys and special composites in large quantities makes it essential for the machining accuracy of components to reach the Winnie level. In the 1970s, even qualified high-strength alloys in China were difficult to produce stably, let alone a 15-meter-long driveshaft to achieve high strength, lightweight, and high-precision 3-in-1. The second transmission system is a slave of regional difficulty. It adopts a tandem dual-rotor layout, with front and rear hanging wings rotating synchronously through a 10-meter-long driveshaft running through the fuselage, withstanding thousands of horsepower. Gear accuracy, dynamic balance, and vibration control require extremely high levels, and it is possible to enter the air with a slight deviation. At that time, China did not even have experience in the design and manufacture of such a complex deceleration mechanism and long transmission shaft. Third, the engine and hydraulic system could not keep up. Nugan was equipped with two T55 turboshaft engines, each with a power of more than 3,000 horsepower. Well, China's largest turboshaft engine at that time was only a few hundred kilowatts, which was poor. An order of magnitude, hydraulic system and electronic control system also exceeded the domestic industrial level. After surveying and mapping, even a prototype that was running stably could not be built. The second question is, why did you not continue to work as a slave later? First, the national strategic center of gravity shifted to the economy. In the late 1970s and 1980s, China entered the reform and opening up, and defense funding was greatly reduced. A large number of military projects were discontinued or slowed down, including helicopter projects such as on. In this context, it is neither realistic nor cost-effective to invest heavily in the hard bone of Kenzinugan. Second, the demand has changed, and plateau transportation is more important than Zinugan construction. Zinugan's advantage is that it has a large fire warehouse, strong single-point hovering ability, and is suitable for jungle operations. But China's most urgent need is plateau transportation, and it is more practical to take the straight 8 and straight 18 routes. The straight 18 series has greatly improved plateau performance,